Alright, Zach, see if you can land on top of my truck.
Operation Rescue. We've got a rescue yellow. We've got 2 vehicles. Duncan, we should get a gun really quick, though.
No. Yo, Zach, are you still in the air?
Oh yeah, dude, I'm literally so far up.
Dude, land on this truck. Hold on.
Duncan, we gotta get guns while Zach's, like, coming this way.
No. Zach's gonna land on top of my truck.
Is that a euphemism?
Zach's gonna land on top of my truck? I don't think so.
Duncan, you better fucking hurry up, dude.
Dude, I'm cruising. Almost here, dude.
Zach, how low are you?
I finally hit the white.
There's, like, no guns here. This is ridiculous. Probably looting.
Shit, dude, you're gonna be on the road, right?
Oh yeah, I'm right above the road. Oh, dude.
Yeah. Oh. I see you, dude. Fuck. Yo, I'm coming. I'm fucking. Let's fucking do it.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go.
You gotta hurry.
Look, dude, stall.
You gotta hurry.
1,
No.
2, 3.
No. Oh my god, no way. No. Oh my god.
Dead.
He's dead, Jim.
What? No. You gotta help me. What? What?
Dude, I got him.
What?
Duncan just ran him off.
Bro.
That was officially the best game of PUBG I've ever played, dude. Wait.